Simple options trading strategies. Beginner-friendly guide to technical analysis. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is the study of price movement and market behavior. Instead of focusing on company financials, traders analyze charts to understand supply, demand, and trader psychology. What is a market trend? A trend is simply the general direction a stock price is moving. Upward trend. Stock price keeps making higher highs and higher lows, going up overall. Downward trend, where a stock keeps making lower highs and lower lows, going down overall. Simple options trading strategies, beginner-friendly guide to technical analysis. Head and shoulders pattern. What it looks like. Imagine a person's head and shoulders, a left shoulder, a higher head in the middle, and a right shoulder. The neckline connects at the bottom. What this means, the pattern means an upward trend is getting tired and about to reverse down. It is a reliable reverse pattern. Support and resistance. These are like invisible floors and ceilings for stock prices. Support, the price level where buyers step in, the floor. Resistance, the price level where sellers take over, the ceiling. Think of it like a ball bouncing in a room. Support in the floor, the resistance is the ceiling. Volume is how many shares are being traded. High volume means lots of buyers are interested. Low volume means not much is happening. Use volumes to confirm if a trend is strong. Simple technical indicators. These are tools that will help you understand what's happening with a stock. Don't worry, you don't need to calculate them. Most trading platforms show them automatically. Quick reference guide. Use this simple checklist to analyze a chart. Pre-trade checklist. What is the overall trend? Up, down, or sideways? Where are the support and resistance levels? Do you see any patterns forming? What is the RSI? Over 70, already overbought. Under 30, already oversold. Is the 9-day EMA above or below the 50-day MA? Is the trading volume high, confirming the move? What is a breakout? A breakout happens when the price breaks through support or resistance. It's like the ball breaking through the floor or ceiling. Something big is about to happen. Pro tip, breakouts with high trading volumes, lots of folks buying and selling, are usually more reliable.